Hi friends, we will be seeing about the orthographic projections. So in this orthographic projection we saw some of the introductions, and in this introduction we saw what are the orthographic projections are all about. So in this orthographic projections, what are the three different views we saw and all we have discussed already, and why we are using the first angle projection and the third angle projection is also given here. And this is the representation of your horizontal plane, vertical plane and the four quadrants. So with the help of this diagram we will be finding out what is the importance of going for the first angle projection and the third angle projection, and why we are not considering second angle projection and the fourth angle projection. So this is the orthographic projection. So the previous slides I have skipped because we saw everything in our first class itself. So in this diagram we will be seeing about the orthographic projection. So in this orthographic projection, by seeing this green color 3D component, we will be drawing the front view, side view, top view and other different views pertaining to your 3D component. Okay, also this we have discussed here. So just since we are going to use the first angle projection, I will just tell you very clearly that in the first angle projection the object will be placed, where the object will be placed, the object will be placed in between your plane and any one of the reference plane and your observer. So object will be placed in between the observer and the plane. That plane may be vertical plane or horizontal plane. Okay, always in my first angle projection the front view will be in vertical plane and the top view will be in the horizontal plane, and the side view will be in the PP. PP is nothing but your principal plane. Okay, so these things are needed to know before going for this orthographic projection. So this is the simple problem that we are going to see. So in this problem the front view, top view and side view are given with different diagrams. Okay, in the front view, top view, side view are given with different colors. So the answer for this is, since I am going to see from this side or from the arrow mark, the blue color will be visible on the front and I have drawn the front view. And since I have to draw the top view below the front view, I am seeing that particular 3D component which is available in pink color, and I am going to draw the same in HP, that is below the front view. And since I can able to see the right side view, I will be drawing what is the corresponding right side view, and which is in red color. Coming back to the second problem, this is my second problem. So in this problem it is clearly given that there are three colors with the corresponding dimensions. So these three colors represent the front view, top view and the side view. Look at this diagram very clearly and carefully. So since all the diagrams are 3D components, it will be very easy for us to identify with the color notation. So in this diagram the front view is visible, so the blue color represents the front view and it will be given in this answer. So this is the front view for the object, and the side view, since we can able to see only the left side view, I will be drawing what is the corresponding view here. I'll be drawing what is the corresponding view here. Only the orange color it is visible, so I will draw what is the corresponding portions that I can able to see in this component, which is nothing but the orange color. So it is given in orange color. And the third and the top view, which is indicated by using the pink color, and see to it very carefully, and the pink color is represented here. And coming back to the second question, third question. So in this third question, please look at this diagram very clearly. So in this third question, So since the arrow mark is given, in the arrow mark I can able to see the front view. So the bottom portion I can able to see. So in the bottom portion I can able to see, that is the pink color I can able to see, and also I can able to see the violet color. So my front view will be the combination of the violet color and the pink color. So I will be drawing the front view similar to this. So see here, so this is the front view. So this is your front view. Now coming back to the question again, now I am going to see the top view. Since I have marked the front view, I need to mark the top view. Now if I draw the top view, I can able to see only two colors. I can able to see only two colors. What are the colors I can able to see? I can able, the major portion I can able to see this blue color. The major portion I can able to see this blue color, and also the hole in it, and since this orange color and violet color are the slanting or in a slanting manner, I am viewing this from the top. I can able to see some part of this orange color and also the violet color. So my top view will be the first blue color and some part in this particular orange color and the violet color. So the representation will be like this. So the blue color I have marked it here, and since I can able to see this hole I have marked, and since I can able to see the saffron color and violet color I have marked it here. Okay, coming back to the side view. Now I can able to see the right side view. Since I can able to see the right side view, what I need to do, I need to draw this right side view to the left of my front view. So green color I can able to see, and this orange color I can able to see. Other than that I cannot able to see anything. So my side view will be looking similar to this. Yeah, my side view will be looking similar to this. So any doubt in this problem? Okay. Now this is one of the very easiest problem. So in this problem what we are trying to do, we are trying to draw the front view. So I can able to see this, and I can tell it by without going for the answer. So this is a stepped component, and what I will be doing, I will be seeing this component from the arrow mark given. So my front view will be what are all which is available as the brown color. I will be marking that as my front view. What are all available in the pink color, that will be marking it as my top view. What are all available in the green color, I will be marking it as my green color. So my front view, top view, side view will be looking like this. So on the VP I will be marking the front view, on the HP I will be marking the top view, and since I can able to see the right side view of the component, I will be drawing the side view to the right of my front view. So this is the three important and question for your orthographic projection. So apart from that, we will be having additional problems also. Yes. Now take this problem as an assignment problem. I will be giving you two problems. So two problems as an assignment problem. Now see this problem. In this problem, the front view, top view, side view are indicated by using colors. So the front view will be full of pink color, and the top view will be full of green color, and the side view will be full of blue color. See to this diagram very carefully, and then you are supposed to draw the three different views for this component. Okay, and again this one problem, this is also the another important problem and also the assignment problem. So see to this problem very carefully and draw the three different views for this component. I will just show you this answers. Please don't look into the answers. You draw the three different views and try to correct it if you have any mistakes on it. Okay. Yeah, again this is also another important problem. So I will be giving you the question with the answer. So what you try to do, you try to draw the three different views without seeing the answer. Again this is also another important problem. Okay, try to see this problem, and in case if we have doubt, post it in our class group so that we will be seeing that when we get into the class. Okay, please see to the assignment problem. Whatever the problems I said, everything has to be in a assignment problem. Okay, so we'll just finish off this orthographic views in this uh, video, and from the next class we will be going for the next unit. Okay, thank you.